Hey Brock, I saw your forum post and I created a little project for you to show you how I added new accounts to a user table that I'm using to authenticate users. I'm not using the directory. As you can see, there's just the admin user there. I'm actually authenticating users with a custom login listener. But I think this screencast may answer your question. What I've done is created something so that I could add users to my directory, like an account sign up. Something like on Facebook. Either you can sign in if you already have an account, or if you don't have an account, you can sign up. So let's go see how this works. I already have an account, so I will sign in. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 users here. So if you want to sign up, or maybe log in Brock, we'll just make your password Brock and full name Brock from Canada. Okay, so anyway, if you want to sign up, there you go. Congratulations on your new account. You can now see that we've added a new entity to the user table. And if we sign out, you are now able to sign in. If I type in your password correctly. And there you go. So anyway, let's go see how I did this. So if we go look at our page, let me open this up a little bit. Come on, Wakanda. Well, the studio is being a little finicky here. Sometimes these things resize. Okay, so actually to sign up a new account, what I've done is I've created a local data source object called sign in object. I created that right here, and the sign in object, I added 3 attributes: login, password, and full name, and then I just dragged this onto this container here, and you can see that it created my form. And so on the sign up button, you can see the code. I create an object using the data that the user entered into that local data source. Then I've added a class function on my user data class called add user, and basically you can see that I'm passing in that sign up data object. And of course I have 2 callbacks here, on success and on error. So let's go look at our model. You can see here's the add user class and class method, and I make it public so that I can call it from the client. And if we go look at the code here, you can see I'm passing in my sign up data object, and basically what I do is try to sign in with that login name and password. If I'm successful signing in, then I know they already have an account, and I say you have already signed up. If not, I go ahead and create a new entity in the user class, and I take this data that I've passed in and fill in the properties, so the attributes. Then I do a save, and then I try to log in again, and if it's successful, which I think it will be most of the time, unless I have some problem with my save, then I say congratulations on your new account, and that is that message is returned to our event handler, that our callback that's been waiting. And basically at the point now that I have a valid session because I've signed you in on the server, then I go ahead and hide the sign up object and do some other stuff. I'll include the project. You can take a look at it. But anyway, I hope that helps you. And we'll take one more look at it. Sign out. Add a new user. JB. Sign them up. There you go. Okay, Brock. Hope that helped you.